Will's got a truck lined up. Brian's got a truck lined up for him. We might... The guy dropped it from 16 grand to 12. If he takes 10, we gotta go get this son of a bitch and drive it back fucking Friday night. Hopefully not in a damn snowstorm.
Do we have any tools in case this turns into an episode of Roadkill?
Yeah, I don't have any.
Do you want to grab my fucking socket set off of the shelf before we leave?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna say it now. No zip ties, no sockets, and then we'll be broken on the side of the road and be like, well, we really should have grabbed that stuff, shouldn't we? Zep wrap, door doesn't seal on the truck, so they're trying to fix it. And that hook's gonna slip out behind that metal there. Yeah, it's already doing it.
Yeah, it works with painted. Yeah? So, we've had quite the endeavor so far.
Into the storm. Oh, that's a good bump. I didn't even see that one. Oh, nice. Well, I think that fucked up my steering.
We lost a wiper. Mitch bent a tie rod, we think, or bent something, but his truck's pulling really bad.
I want to see if I can get those guys out.
Okay, I'll back up. Let's get them out.
This block.
We should have anything but have a little piece of.
Oh shit! Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
This is why you buy a fucking K20, now that she's dead.
This is why you buy a Duramax. We'll get them out. It's a Matt's off-road recovery thing.
Tight.
Hey.
Woo!
This guy's stuck.
We just had catastrophic failure. Really? Catastrophic failure.
You're fucking kidding me. Well, here we go. Time for a 2.5-hour drive to Kincardine to go and get this 1980s Chevy square body. This is going to be interesting.
Well, here we go. We're gonna see how this frickin' goes.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be interesting, that's for sure. Fuck, got a snow squall warning coming back through fucking.
If this turns it, do we have any tools in case this turns into an episode of Roadkill?
Yeah, I don't have any.
Do you want to grab my fucking socket set off of the shelf before we leave?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna say it now. No zip ties, no sockets, and then we'll be broken on the side of the road and be like, well, we really should have grabbed that stuff, shouldn't we have?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that now. Making a quick pit stop at the gas station, grabbing a bunch of snacks and drinks. Just outside of Burford now, and I think we got about 2 hours more to go to Kincardine. We get some snow squall warnings, so yeah, could make for an interesting night. You guys are gonna have fun on the way home. Holy sweet fucking Jesus Christ.
Cars are coming out of nowhere!
Well, boys, we made her. Oh boy, is the weather ever shit.
Can't see, freaking snow drifts on the damn road. There is the package. Well, the battery's shot on it, so we're gonna have to jump this son of a bitch already. There she is, boys. Oh my god. That side? Yeah. Pull up those on this way. Yeah, I'll just go straight up. Wow.
Interior lights don't work.
Get that defrost in there cranking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know this is a little different than what we usually do, but that's why we called it Octane Adventures, because if it's got an engine, wheels, tracks, jet pumps, you get the idea. It's all here. It's cold, boys. Just went into high idle again. I think finally sealed. Okay, here we go. Gonna roll out. We're gonna be the follow vehicle. Hopefully no one goes in the damn ditch. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know how much of this we're gonna catch, but we're rolling out.
Speedometer here. Where the fuck is my speedometer?
Fucking square body life!
Fucking right! There's Mitchell behind us! Woo! Fuck yeah, buddy!
Honestly, to me, it's worth it because fucking everything we looked at was rusted. So right here, now we get to start with a good body, and we can just fucking I can work on it, make it mechanically sound, make it reliable.
Well, that ain't good. But we're off to a good start. Got some vibration in her from the four-wheel drive. Oh, I think I'm still in four-wheel drive too.
What's happening?
I gotta unlock the hubs.
We gotta unlock the hubs.
Oh. Nope, we just had catastrophic failure.
Really? Catastrophic failure.
You're fucking kidding me.
What happened?
What's up?
There's a bearing might have moved.
I think we're gonna try to give her.
Hey!
How's it going?
It seems like we don't got a shake or vibration at the moment. We'll see. I think it was just because the hubs are locked, so we might have a bad locker in the front.
Whoa, stop making noises, fan.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared.
Zep wrap. Door doesn't seal on the truck, so they're trying to fix it. It's fucking cool. I did say I was gonna record this just in case it turned into an episode of Roadkill. This is turning into an episode of Roadkill or Topgear or something. I don't know what the hell this is.
Fucking problem is there's a door to fucking hook in here.
Do you have something to hook on it?
Did you maybe there?
Alright, strap yourself in. You guys are gonna be leaning back against it anyways.
Black hole to make myself whole again.
Shit! This is gonna be bad too. I just fucking know it. Wind is
tornado. Oh, and now the wind's coming in this door. Oh,
I can feel it.
yeah, I'm fucking getting snowed on.
Is that the road? Okay. Hang on, Mitch. That was the road back there.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
We're in the shit.
Hang on. We're gonna go right into a town, so this actually works better.
Oh, okay.
So, we've had quite the endeavor so far, haven't we, Will?
Holy fuck.
Fuck, buddy, man. Like, this is fucking brutal. You hit a little snowbank, she just takes you right for a ride. And of course, the seat's broken on this side, the door panel's not on this side, so she's a little bit of a frosty ride on this side of the truck. But we're making her. We're about half an hour into a 2.5 hour drive, and we're going slow. So we still probably have about 2 hours and what? 2.5 hours?
Dude, we haven't even done 30 minutes.
Oh, fuck. Now we're gonna follow Mitchell to the gas station so we can get some gas to make sure we get back. We gotta basically stop at every town just because we don't have a fuel gauge. So
We don't have any gauges.
we don't have any gauges. We're running off fucking digital speedometer.
Go get myself a nice can of Nos Nitro Mango. This is some good shit. But I think what I'm in the mood for right now is a coffee and some diesel. This is not it, I don't think. Is it? Unavailable. Are you fucking kidding me?
So we're good. $1.53 is even that bad.
I pulled into the wrong one anyways. The open one was up there. My God. Genius. Oh, time to go boosty boosty. Update. It does not want to take a boost now. So once we get this thing running, we don't shut it off. Almost. Let her, just let her wait. Wait. Yeah. Yes.
I don't know what the fuck that was all about.
This is not just blowing snow. This is the snow squall that they warned us about. Son of a bitch, we didn't beat it. Oh fuck, boys, this is gonna be a long ass night. We're over at the ESO with the hood open. That's not good. Windshield wipers. You kind of need new ones when you're driving home in a damn blizzard. Roll out, turn on my heated seat, got my music ready, stock tune. And into the storm. Just about. Oh, he's gonna, yeah. These drifts, they just come out of nowhere. That's a good bump. I didn't even see that one. Oh, nice. I think that fucked up my steering.
Fuck, we made it about 20 minutes and had to stop again. We lost a wiper. Mitch bent a tie rod, we think, or bent something, but his truck's pulling really bad. We're working with one wiper and very minimal heat. It's not bad, but it's not great. And now we've got super bad snow squall. and a lot of snow drifts, and this is really bad. And we'll keep you posted. And sloppy ass steering, we're all over the fucking road, so here we go.
We're just getting into Listowel. It's 11:56, so minutes to midnight. And we just came through some of the worst snow drifts. Stop pulling to the left, you. And there's this damn minivan always right on my ass. Gonna eat the trailer hitch soon. Update, we made it into Listowel and we found shelter in a car wash. So, my steering's fucked. They lost the wiper blade. And yeah, doors ratchet strapped shut, no lights on the dash, a cell phone for a speedometer. Yeah. And it's still a goddamn blizzard out, and it's like 12:30 in the morning, and we're not home. We got like another 2 hours, I think, to go. Although, no one's gone in the ditch yet, which is great. Now we're leaving town, back into the snowstorm. 12:30. Maybe an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes left on the drive. Still doing all right. Hopefully we'll manage to get home without any more incidences. These roads are absolute ass. We're in Waterloo. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna run the highway. It's gonna get salty sooner or later. You don't have four-wheel drive, he's just got two-wheel. Oh, so we're gonna get back on the highway, get her home. Ooh, somebody stoved it in the ditch good. Yeah, I don't think I'm pulling him out of there. Same thing as us, must have went for the turnoff and frickin' lost her. I don't know what's going on, we got some flashing lights up ahead. Oh shit. Do you want to see if I can get those guys out?
Okay, I'll back up. Let's get them out.
Alright, sounds good. I'll wait for you guys up here.
Okay, good luck with those.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Just like that, boys. Like nothing. Diesel power. Just like that. Sweet. No problem. Fist bump. Who shovel it is? I don't. Not sure who shovel it is. It might be. No problem.
Alrighty guys, drive safe, go slow, eh?
Have a good night.
Don't have anything but have a little piece of.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take her easy, guys.
People going that way, guys? Snow drifts are pretty bad that way too.
They even give us pizza. Oh yeah. No, stoved it. Stoved it. And then we get stuck ourselves. So this will be fun. I'll get her out though.
This is why you buy a fucking K20, not a C10.
This is why you buy a Duramax. We'll get him out. I had to. It's a Matt's off-road recovery thing.
Said you're a little too fucking hard.
Just a little bitty bit there, man.
Alright. It's
Pull
only
ahead, full
fucking.
tension. You're on the passenger side, so you're gonna have to pull me a little bit more.
Everyone's tight.
Tight.
Egg.
That's what I'm talking about. Got him out.
2 for 2 tonight. Duramax 2, Snowstorm 0. Now it's time to get this thing home. The good deeds are done. I'm changing my mind. I think I just might have to keep this truck. Well, at least he was able to make it up the hill in his own power. I don't know what happened. He must have spun, but he was able to grab traction.
Finally made her into Delhi. 4 hours on a 2.5 hour drive.
Oh fuck, we're more than that, buddy. I'm pretty sure we're into this fucking 6-hour trip.
Casualties. The alignment on my truck, both front wheels are cocked outwards from hitting that bump. That's for the C10. I believe they lost the wiper arm. The fuel, what the hell was it called now? I don't know, it was pissing fuel out of it while they were trying to fill it up. The wiper arm, and possibly the heater core. Oh yeah, and we also pulled out some random guy on the way, and he gave us pizza. So that was a win. And then I pulled out this thing too. So that was awesome. Made my night. Well, boys, 4:01. I called it. I said we'd be driving till 4 a.m. Hey boys, guess what time it is? Told you we'd be driving till 4. We made her though. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.